So today we are going to discuss very important case study in operations. So what is the case means? In the future generation, so everyone it will be comfortable to use the electronic vehicles, right? EV vehicles. Okay. So that's the case study. We are going to choose the company Tesla. So who is the founder? Elon Musk. Oh, so EV vehicles, the first introduced in that 2003. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about the case in this. What are the supply chain management strategies we are using in the Tesla? Why we are all the customers, you can write in that Tesla, we are going to purchase the electronic vehicles. Okay, now we are going to discuss, it's an interactive session, what are the merits and why we are choosing that Tesla. Okay, so why we are choosing the Tesla, the electronic vehicle? What are the merits? Advanced technology, very good. Yes, carbon emission, very good. So, carbon emission. So let's start. Supercharged what? And also battery production will be good. Okay, is that so for battery production? So these are the advantages, and also we are going to discuss why we are choosing that Tesla. So now I ask everyone, Sibi, just you tell what about the supply chain management strategies they are using in the Tesla?
Sir, from my point of view, I get 2 points. First one is vertical integration. So, as coming to the e-vehicle, the main part of the body is batteries, right? So, Tesla took battery manufacturing on Zeta factories, so they can easily get the batteries to be readily done, which reduces their cost of transportation as well. So, this is one of the main strategy. Coming up with the global expansion. So, Tesla is in home country, was in one country, and also has so many home branches in US and China. So, while they following manufacturing unit on certain areas, which also reduces their transportation and manufacturing cost as well. So, along with that, they follow 4608 batteries, which is very safety when compared to other electric vehicles. So, this is our main strategy from my point.
Very good. Exactly right. As we said, we are using the solar to charge that power, right? So there also they have to manufacture the vehicles, and also compared to the current consumption, right? EV consumption, it will be better. Okay, what about your point, Hindi?
Sir, they have two measures. The first one is cost measures. How they are maintaining their cost measures means they are renegotiate with suppliers because supply is the main demand power. So we have the efficiency to control the supply means we have the reduce of logistics cost. So first strategy is they are maintaining to performance reduction of cost, and second is innovation. How they are innovating means they are applying AI and ML technologies in chip manufacturing. By introducing the chip manufacturing, they know about the demand of the how many of chips are produced. They have maintained the distribution strategies and how to perform in the competitive market. By performing these two upgradation technologies, Tesla being better than other competitors.
Exactly. So other competitors in the sense General Motors, Ford, right? So apart from that, we are choosing the Tesla because of these are the reasons. Says Pooja,
Really against Tesla Model S and Model 3 have 350 volts on single charger. It is a super fast charging network in long distance travel as a fast charging.
Very good. So these are the points it will cover in that Tesla. And also they are using some operation strategies like JIT. What is that? Just in time. And also they are using the lean manufacturing. And also agile manufacturing. Right? So also in the startup also they have the competitors like the Tools, Ludo, and Voda. Comparatively better than Tesla. Okay. Any other point related to that? Why we are choosing the Tesla? Any other? So technology and also battery and carbon emission and environment, right? Environment is not affected by the pollution because if you take that Delhi or other state, you're having n number of pollutions on that track. I mean, the pollution will be affect our health also. Okay, so that will be comfortable to manufacture this vehicle EV. It will be safely for the human beings also. Okay, okay. And to what?